This is the day which the Lord hath made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Today's day 19. It's Friday, fun day. Okay, you'll need your pencil, your crayons. You'll need your Bible workbook today. You'll need your Bible workbook today and your daily work binder. Also your reader, Kind and Brave. You're going to read to me today just the little poems at the end of your reading section. You can either set up a Zoom meeting with me, text me and set up a Zoom meeting, or you can just take a video of that little clip and put it on Class Dojo. Also, I would like everyone to say their Bible verse to me. You can do that by calling, you can do that by sending me a video, or same thing with reading, we can do it on Zoom. The Bible verse is Exodus 24. It says, "Thou shalt not make unto thee any graven image." So make sure you're learning those verses, and I need to hear them today because I'm going to give you a grade on what a great job you do. Today for Bible, in this one video, I'm going to explain all the things, and we're going to have a little bit of review today. Today for Bible, we're going to look at this page in our Bible workbook. It says, "Tell the story, write what happened in each picture, color the pictures." So here the disciples were fishing. Here they put their net on the other side of the boat and they caught a lot of fish. And here they had breakfast with Jesus on the shore. So here they had breakfast with Jesus on the shore. So you can color the pictures and write a sentence about what happened in each picture. On the back, you're going to find these words in the word search here. The words heaven, clouds, angels, disciples, star, Jesus, return. Stare, Jesus, and return, and the color of the pictures. So you'll have a lot of fun doing that. Okay? So that's what you're going to do for Bible today. I'm going to go ahead and take a minute to review with you what we learned in phonics and math this week. And then if you want to play some games on Freckle, that would be great. I love to see your reports. I can get a report every single Friday about who plays and who doesn't. And I like to see your names. Last week, not enough people played. That's part of your work. So I want you, if you can get on it, and I know most of you can, if you can get on it, I want to see you get on it and work on it. Okay? We're going to take a look at some review here. We talked about subtracting 10. You remember when we subtract 10, we find a number, and then we go up the number chart to find the answer. So 35 minus 10 would be 25. 56 minus 10 would be 46. When we added 10, we went down to the next number. When we subtract 10, we go backwards. Okay, let's take a look at some more things we learned this week. We talked about differences of 2 and differences of 1. If numbers are beside each other on the number line, then the answer would be 1. If it's an even or odd number, like 2 odd numbers beside each other, the answer would be 2. Why? Because we move 2 places when we skip count. So 7 minus 5 equals 2. 9 minus 7 equals 2. 8 minus 6 equals 2. 12 minus 10 equals 2. Anytime the numbers are beside each other as an even or odd number, then the answer would be 2. So 7 and 5 are odd, 9 and 7 are odd, 8 and 6 are even, 12 and 10 are even. Okay? A couple more things we learned in math this week. We talked about polygon. Remember those polygon rules. Those polygon rules means all straight sides, no curves, and no openings. Keep those animals in the pen. Don't want them to get away. All right? Last thing we talked about yesterday was a quarter. Remember, Mrs. Irwin gave you the challenge to try to find some quarters, maybe a quarter that had the state of Tennessee on it. Maybe you could find something like that. Let's look at phonics for a second. You say, what? Phonics already? We're going to zip through it because I want to review all of it with you. Just wait. Over here, you remember the new special sound we learned? The sound was E-I-G-H, A and 8, just like this long A sounds. So we would say way, nay, and 18. Then we also learned the special sounds in sailor, in dollar. So we find these special sounds at the end of the word. R so bossy. And R says, you're going to do what I want to do. So AR and OR. Now, at the end of the word, AR and OR are going to say We found that in the words doctor, actor, picture, solar, and polar. Okay? So these are all some new things that we've been learning. Oh, there's a little review about cones and cylinders. Let's see if I can put, this is a cone. Ah, I got it right. Let's see if I can find a cylinder. Is that a cylinder? Is that a cylinder? This? There's a cylinder. I got a green check mark and a cube. Okay, I'd like to see your name pop up on my computer screen that you practiced on Freckle this week. Do your Bible worksheet. You're going to do your writing seat work, and I'll post a video about that a little later. You're going to do your phonics worksheet, and I'll post a video about that a little later. And your Bible worksheet, I think I already said that. Make sure that you're getting your work done, but it's Friday and have fun. Go play. Have a great time. And I hope you have a great weekend.